Videract Reseller. The demand is unlimited. Ask any marketer or business if they need interactive videos, you'll get a strong yes. The best part is that you can sell Videract at any cost you want, even higher than what you yourself paid for it. You can sell 100, 250 or 600 copies of Videract depending on the license you choose and keep all the money. Leverage all our professionally designed Videract marketing materials. Use our sales page. The sales page has been written by a seasoned 7-figure copywriter. It perfectly highlights all the benefits and features to make anyone buying it realize the real power of Videract. So, with the reseller license, you get the Videract sales page at no cost. Use our sales and walkthrough videos. A sales video and walkthrough video are no ordinary videos. Just like the sales page, these have to be really professional too. The quality of the videos that we have used is again top-notch and very professional. We didn't want a sloppy video to ruin the experience for our customers. Use these videos to tell your customers everything about Videract without, of course, paying for these. Piggyback on powerful Videract branding. We've invested thousands into promotional and retargeting ads to warm up audiences so you'll convert more prospects into buyers. Top 3 ways to sell your copies of Videract for huge profits. Promote across your social profiles, blogs, websites and video channels. Use your own Videract license to create attention-grabbing videos and ads to increase conversions. Add Videract as a funnel element to your existing offers or upcoming launches. Interactive videos have universal appeal, so you can plug the software into practically any type of funnel to increase profits. Private sales. If you're already providing services to clients, just introduce them to Videract and let the sales materials do the selling for you. Check out some of the amazing features built in. Lead capture, integration with ActiveCampaign, Aweber, Constant Contact, Drip, GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite, and Zapier email marketing services. Create unlimited quizzes with any number of questions and answers. Multiple answer selection is supported for personality and trivia quizzes. Show questions in random order and shuffle answers. The plugin is responsive. Works fine on all devices. Share results on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Contact. Embed quizzes into posts and pages via shortcode or into from element. Possible to show several personalities on result page of personality quiz. Contains BuzzFeed and standard themes. Supports ability to add new themes. Can show several quizzes on the same page. Show custom content at the end of quiz depends on number of correctly answered questions. Create trivia and personality quizzes. Export results to CSV. Can be translated to any language. Contains English, Russian, and Turkish translations. See statistics for each quiz.